Hello tubers. So today's developments. So yesterday what I did, I got the code for resetting the body control module, the ECM, everything else, and reset it all. Didn't seem to make any difference whatsoever. Reset the immobilizer, reset the key, did everything basically, which I thought would solve some problems, but it didn't. But today's development, it was running all right last night because I took it for a ride, but now the battery's dead. The battery has completely died. I've had it on charge all morning. I had my son's battery conditioner on it and it says it's taking voltage. It says it's holding 14.8 volts, but obviously the ampage has disappeared. It's just gone, disappeared. Go that way, that way, that way, or that way, some way. But basically, the thing that is the money pit, the Tigra, is now, well, it's going to make you pay for a new battery. I think this car hates me. As you can see yesterday, I had all sorts of bits and bobs to bits. I didn't leave anything on overnight. I didn't drain the battery just died. So I'll go and get a new battery, I guess. And as if by magic, a new battery turns up. Let's see if it solves all our problems, shall we? Good old Drive Tech stuff, good price. We'll see if it's a good battery. So looking at the battery, which the telltale light's gone, so that says it's broken. But looking at it, there's no installation date on it, but when you look down here, look at that. Is that the original battery? Because this car was built in 2004 and it's a genuine GM battery. I've got a feeling that's the original. So it's done all right. Well, it's in place. Quite easy really. Negative, and that's your negative terminal. Positive, that's your positive terminal. 10 mils, tighten them up, and a 13 mil just down there to hold it in place. Right, let's see what happens. I'm pretty confident it's going to start okay. Oh, he says, oh no, we've got the flashing immobiliser light. Oh, something has gone wrong overnight. Right, let me look into this. Okay, so it would seem, because the last key that was in this was the key I wasn't using. Yeah, seems you've got to use the same key as came out of it before we changed the battery. Interesting. Right, okay. Right, well that's got no better. I'll give it a minute to settle down because it's obviously had a new battery. And let it just get its positions again. But to me the engine is still choking up, which is a symptom that came back yesterday. Yeah, it was alright, and then all of a sudden it started to choke up again. Yeah, the car that keeps on giving. Right, while we're here, let's just check for faults. So, I've been through everything on the iCar Soft scanner, which is usually pretty good and does show all the codes. It is now starting to settle down a bit. Need to take it for a drive and see if this bogging has got any better. So the new battery hasn't solved all my problems, but I'm going to start looking now at some of the parameters and seeing if I can figure this out. It's a shame, it was running fine. I'm still not convinced the MAF isn't the problem. I cleaned the MAF and it seemed to run a lot better. But now it's gone back to how it used to be again. I've got a feeling it's probably time for a new MAF, to be honest, but let's have a look at what it's kicking out and I'll decide from there. Well, as you can see, ooh, thunder. So the MAF's sitting about 6.5. When you rev it, it does go up. I don't know. Right, so as I say, rain stop play. And we've got thunder and lightning, which it ain't been sunny today, so I'm not sure where that's come from. Oh dear, look at the rain. What's your problem? Noisy boy. Okay. Yeah, I think we've got hail.